If your child is not succeeding in a traditional environment, be willing to take a chance. I'm really glad that I did.
Visions in Education is a free, independent study charter school that offers a safe, standards-based learning environment away from the negative distractions and social pressures found in traditional high schools.
Our model is one that our teachers go into the homes. We personalize learning.
Visions in Education is one of the largest charter schools in California, providing students with a meaningful one-on-one relationship with a credentialed teacher.
We're moving beyond just the academic work of the student into their whole life, and how can I help and support and make a difference?
Flexible and personalized, Visions allows students to prioritize family needs and work schedules and embraces individual differences in learning styles.
The world has changed. Kids learn in different ways.
Here they have one stable person that they can interact with and that they interface with.
Vision students take ownership and responsibility for their education by using our resources and tools to succeed in a rapidly changing world.
So many of our students come with so many obstacles that when they do succeed, it's huge. I mean, graduation day is the best thing ever.